Today, we're going to be talking about some facts on sneezing. The average person sneezes about 1 to 2 times a day. A sneeze can travel at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. A sneeze can expel up to 40,000 droplets of mucus and saliva into the air. The word sneeze comes from the Old English word fne shun, which means to snort. The longest recorded sneeze lasted for 107 seconds. In some cultures, sneezing is considered to be a sign of good luck. In other cultures, sneezing is considered to be rude. In some cultures, people believe that sneezing can be used to ward off evil spirits.